0.2%. Now, I just think that right now the markets, as well as myself, are looking at the current environment and what's pushing it, and it's not earnings. Earnings are holding up the market pretty well, but I think it's just that the pro-growth promises that President Trump has put out, that he put out in his campaign, and now he's starting to push through. We're not seeing some of the things that we would like to see. Most notable is the two most notable going to be tax reform, as well as healthcare. It looks like there is some uncertainty on how fast, and he set a wicked pace. Those are going to really continue. But after Friday's action, you can't debate the fact of the matter that these strategies and his approach, the market likes, and it's going to be holding up. As a matter of fact, if you did look at the earnings front, Tyson Foods, we talked about it this morning, TSN, down $2.34, disappointing. Earnings guidance, and also some stories about how they might have been colluding with other chicken producers to hold prices up. Cisco, that restaurant services group provider, also came in disappointed, trading at 50.52, down $2.03. New All Brands, NWL, basically came out and said, hey, foot traffic was poor. Okay, we've heard that story in the retail world. Trading $44.60, down $2.29. But Hasbro was bucking the trend. As a matter of fact, most of its peers came in, had poor earnings, poor guidance, and really missed. Not Hasbro. Hasbro did better than expected quarterly results, up $12.30, and they have some, interesting properties, right? I mean, they have their affiliation with the Star Wars series and so forth, Marvel. So there's quite a bustle there, and they're outperforming their peers quite well, and that's hold up that segment of the market very well today. Some of the other areas that you might want to keep a look at, as I said, tech basically flat, but we do have Apple moving to the upside, up about $1.21 at 130.21. Actually up $1.13, almost 0.8% uptick. You also have semiconductors still on the uptick. NVIDIA, always a name that you hear a lot from, but if you just look at SMH, the Philly Semiconductor Index, up 0.2%. I like that sector. I think that that's going to be a sector that you're going to want to watch. If there's going to be growth and some beta to this market, that's going to be it. The energy sector continues to lag. Down 0.9% as a sector. Take a look at XLE. You do have crude down about 1% at 53.29. The U.S. dollar is up 33 cents. It's over that $100 mark at $100.02. Gaining on the euro, up about 0.4% against euro at 107.37. We'll see how the fluctuation of the currency, specifically the euro, especially with all of the political volatility that's going on, whether it's in France or Germany, as we discussed this morning, that's going to keep the currency markets on its toes, and it's giving dollars some strength, which again is something that President Trump is not really in favor of. So we're going to watch that very closely. Otherwise, it's been pretty much a muted action. I am keeping my powder dry. Again, you look at what your risk tolerances, your objectives are, but that's how I'm feeling right now going in the midday. All right, folks, join me at 3:30 Eastern Time. I'm going to be going over Tech Talk. That's where I break down some charts, break down some option analysis, give you some ranges and expected moves going into key events. And today we're going to be talking about some earnings stocks. So join us here at MarketStream.live.